What's up guys, it's your boy Junior here, bringing another great video to the channel. And if this is your first time here guys, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Why? Because we do a lot of great things on this channel. We do a lot of unboxing. Mostly you guys have been watching me playing live gaming because I have gotten new products come in. Then I also got game reviews, product reviews like I'm doing one today, and a lot of other great stuff guys you don't want to miss out. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one. Also guys, while you're at it, make sure you like all my videos, share my videos, comment all my videos, and then we'll be all good there. That helps the channel out, get more noticeable, and then we'll all grow together so nobody's missing out on anything as long as we grow together. All right, as you guys know, I've been into 3D printing for a while now. I've done a live stream of 3D printing. I show you a couple of 3D prints I've done. I've been learning with the other 3D printer that I have, and it's been a great experience. But then Creality sent another box right here that I'm very happy to look at, and it's a great printer. It's actually, I think it's one of the best ones out there right now as far as a home 3D printing. I mean, yeah, there's better 3D printers out there that is a lot larger scale, but for a home scale, for a small home scale 3D printer, I think this is the best one right now. And I'm talking about the Creality K1 Max. So a lot of great features on this 3D printer. One, it's already an enclosed box, so there's no open space in there. There's a door you open, everything. It's AI smart controlled, so if there's something gonna mess up, it stops the print automatically, so you don't have to sit there like keep an eye on it every 3 seconds to make sure everything's going good, or every 20 minutes just check on it. It has a built-in live feed camera in there, which is an awesome thing. So you can bring up your phone, pop up in the video, the app, pop up the video, and you can see what's going on at the time, anywhere you want. As long as your 3D printer is connected to your Wi-Fi and has internet connection, and you can turn in your software and log into it and look at the 3D printer as you're printing. So that's another great thing about this. Like I said, it's all enclosed. Now with my old 3D printer, I had to take the SD card from the 3D printer, take it out, put it on my computer, and download either create a file to print or download a pre-designed file and add it to the SD card and plug it into the 3D printer. And after I do that, I would have to sit there and actually look for the file, click on it, and let it start printing. With this, you could go ahead and use your phone, open up the app, and send a 3D printer through your phone onto the app, so you no more transferring files or anything like that, which is another great thing. This thing has so many features that I love, that I read up on it, that I told myself, I have to get this. So I got it, the Creality K1 Max. They do have the K1 version, but the difference between the K1 and the K1 Max is the size. This is 300 by 300 by 300 millimeter size, printing size. With the regular K1, I believe is 222 by 220 by 220 millimeters. So as you see, the difference is big difference. So right now, the size of this is the one I have right now on my Creality Ender 3 Max. It's the same size, 300 by 300 by 300. So when they said they had this available, I was like, I have to get it. So I got it. Here's the box. I mean, it's dirty from the shipping and everything. So what we can do today, is open it up, show you what it is, how it looks like, and then I'll give you another preview of it maybe a couple of months down the road after I play with it longer. But I'm only telling you what I've learned and read up how, because when I get something, I look into it before pulling the trigger on it. Because this, so you guys know, this retail for this is $8.99. If you're good enough, you can find it for $8.50 depending what sources you have. But they don't go lower than that. Brand new, they don't go lower than that. Right now, there's not, I wouldn't find anything used on this. I tried to look for a used one, but I couldn't find one anywhere. Because this just came out a couple months ago. So mind you, a few months ago, this is still brand new. Not that many people are gonna get rid of it. They might have been somewhere outside of my area that had it available, but in my area there was none available. Not even people having posted for sale. A lot of people saying they bought it, they upgraded 3D printers to get this one, but none showing that they're selling this one. I had one person sell it, but it got sold within less than an hour after he posted. I even was like, I'll trade you my computer for it. I want it. It's $1,000, almost $1,000 printer. After taxes and shipping, comes out to like $1,000. Remember, it's $899 before tax. After tax, comes out to $973 plus. And if you have to get it shipped, whatever shipping costs, or maybe it's free. But anyway, like I said, today we're just gonna open it, unbox it, show you what it looks like, and all the nice little things it looks like. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I'm gonna take my blade here and open it up, because I want to get this open so I can get it installed at my place of destination where I want to get this installed. All right, so I popped it open there. Let me see. Okay, so when you open it up, when you first open it up, you have a booklet on top. This is the whole guide right here, the manual, how to use it, what features I have, how to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Everything you need to know is in this pamphlet right here. And it looks like it has stickers on here too. These stickers, yeah, it has some stickers here. Some Creality stickers, which is pretty cool. There you go, that's the thing there. On top, it's a heavy box, that's why I'm not gonna tilt it or anything because it's pretty heavy. And then when you pop this open, this is a foam on top. It protects the top glass. Because the top of this, even though it's enclosed, the top of it comes up. So if you want to look through the top of the stuff or let out some air, because it can get warm from printing so much, then it gives you the option on top. All right, let me see. All right, I'm gonna see. All right, so I think this is the glass that I gotta take off. I might have to take. Okay, so this is top. This is the top glass. As you see, still has the plastic on here. You just lift it up here and put it to the side. Put this to the side now because I don't want to break it. So, all right, and then of course, this is the top foam right here that protects, that keeps the glass there protected. So when they ship it, you're all protected. All right. I might have to bring it down because it is pretty big and I'm not gonna be able to bring it up. Oh, there you go. Okay, so to take it out, as you see, I took the top foam covers off, and now I'm gonna, it's pretty, oh, this thing is heavy as hell. All right, I'm gonna take out there's a box inside, so I'm gonna take it out. It's well protected. Let me tilt it over, maybe you guys can see. See that box right there? There's a box there, but this part, this foam right here was right on top, so it protects everything when it's shipping. So Creality does pack this really nice. So, all right, so let me go ahead, take out more of the stuff because I don't want to break anything. All right. All right. Oh, there you go. I don't know what this is in here yet, but it's okay. I'm just making sure I take everything out. All right, and then this is something inside here. Oh, okay. This is an LCD screen. This goes in the front of the 3D printer, controls everything. So instead of being a knob and clicking like my Ender is, like I showed you before, my Ender, you have to choose it by turning the knob and pushing the knob. This is an all touch screen right here that you just hook up and that's it. I'll show you how it looks after I take out the main 3D printer. Okay, put this to the side. They got more stuff inside, so I think I should be able to take it out now. All right, so I'm gonna take it out. It's pretty heavy. I'm gonna make room. All right, okay, so I got more stuff here. This is more protection. See, actually, there's a lot of plastic parts in here. There's a cable in here that I want to keep to the side because, of course, I'm gonna need it. All right, so now I should be able to take it out. You know what? Because I'm trying not to be, I'm trying to be lazier. So I'm just gonna put this down to the side and slide it out. I just gotta make sure I don't drop it or anything. Oh, that was tight in there, so that's why it was being a little difficult because it's not that heavy. All right, so here it is. Boom. That's all it is. Put this down. So let's see, the box is empty now. There's nothing else in there besides that foam. I'm gonna stick all this other protection in here. I'm gonna keep this onto the side. The cable, keep it to the side as well. I don't know what's in here. Oh, okay, so just like they did with the other printers, they give you a free filament film. They give it to me. They did it to my Ender. When they sent me the Ender, they did send me a white one, but a very small one. This one's actually a full size. And this is, let me see, it's PLA white right there. So I can play with this, even though I still got a whole bunch. Okay, and then inside this pack as well, they got more. Let's see what's in here. Oh, they got some protections on here for, I guess, for different things that if you had to change them. Let's see what else they have in here. Oh, they have the legs for the bottom, so you could put them on there. Okay, that's cool. All right, but let me put this down so we don't have to look at this much longer. And I can mess with this later. Put this in here. I'm just sticking everything inside because I don't need it right now. All right, so I'm gonna put this to the side here. All right, so this is the 3D printer here, guys. Look, it's very simple. So the screen, like I mentioned earlier, guys, comes out and it just globes right here. So you take out the cable from right here. I don't know if you could see, there's a cable right there, and you plug it into the device, to the screen, which I do not know how to plug it in properly. But then I'll plug it in later. So you stick it in there and that's it. That's how it looks. And then the handles here, you got to put them together. And then you just open it up. Boom, there you go. And then you start your print right there, guys. Very, very simple. There's an AI camera right here. You won't be able to see it. I have to bring it up close. The nozzle's up here. And you're wondering, how do I put the filament? Where do I stick the filament? The filament actually goes in the back. You turn this around. So on the back, because it comes in here, this is the bar where you put the filament on. So you put it here, you stick it in the back here. Now you have the bar right there in the back. As you can see, the little stick right there. And then you basically just take the filament and put it right here like this and start printing. Very, very cool. So, love this printer so far just by looking at it. It's very clean. I mean, it's dirty because of the dust from taking it out. I just gotta clean it real quick. But other than that, everything looks good. The size is perfect. And I'm ready to do some 3D printing with this and enjoy this to the fullest. So guys, that's it for today. Like I said, today is just an unboxing of the 3D printer, my new 3D printer. This is the Creality K1 Max, a new addition to my family, and I'm happy to have it. And we're gonna take it from there, guys. If you enjoyed the video and everything I had to show you today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show me. And also, guys, don't forget to hit that share button because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel so they don't miss out, just like you're not missing out. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. Also, guys, if you still haven't done since the end of this video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never, ever want to miss out. And until next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.